and I'm currently pursuing Masters in Environmental Studies from University of Pennsylvania. So in order to be a good marketing student like for Rangoli, I think you need to have a lot of contacts in different schools, and I have like really good contacts in all the 12 schools. I can say so I have contacts with PhD people in biotech, I have contacts with engineering people, I have contacts with like people in the dentistry, I have contacts with people in nanotechnology, and I think I can like reach out to them, and really market our Indian Rangoli Association. And because I think like at this point of time Rangoli is like only like concentrated to Indian people, and I think more people want to warm up to us but aren't able to because they don't get any opportunity to it. So I think I'll coordinate with the departmental like coordinators, and ask them to shoot an email to everybody in their department, so that like people from different colleges are able to know what kind of events we are holding, like what kind of events like we are holding, and what are the prospects of it. And I think for funding also I'll do a lot of alumni in different companies which I can talk to, and if possible I can get the funding from them. But I know it's like really getting high hopes, but we can always strive for that. So I really think I have what it takes to be a marketing chair because of my contacts and networking skills in UPenn.